Question 3. Andre and Claire are discussing triangle ABC that has a right angle at C and a hypotenuse of length 15 units. So I'm just going to draw this triangle just because I think it kind of helps to visualize and to kind of get our bearings. So here's my right triangle, and you guys are going to pretend like it is the most beautiful right triangle you have ever seen in your entire life. So there we go. There's our right triangle. C is where the right angle is, and our hypotenuse is 15 units. So Andre thinks the triangle could have legs that are 9 and 12 units long. 9 and 12. Okay, so this is Andre. Okay, and I'm going to draw another one for Claire. We're going to make Claire's purple. No, green. No, purple. All right, so Claire's is going to be this one right here. So we know we have a right angle over here, just like we did in Andre's. Whoops, sorry, that's kind of crummy, but. And then 15 is up here. Now, Claire thinks angle B, so we'll put B, nope, we'll put B up here, could have an angle of 20 degrees, and then side BC would be 14.1 units long. So do you agree with either Andre or Claire? I'm going to put Claire in here. Okay, so Andre says 12, 9, and 15. Claire says 14.1, a 20-degree angle here, and 15 right here. So let's try this. If we have Andre's triangle, then what we can do is, to see if he's correct, we can do the Pythagorean theorem to try and see if this is a Pythagorean triple. So we can do 12 squared plus 9 squared is equal to 15 squared, and again, put that little question mark there to show that we're checking this. So 12 squared is 144. 9 squared is 81. And 15 squared is 225. So if we add 144 and 81 together, that would give us 225 is equal to 225. So it looks like Andre is actually onto something. So let's check with Claire. So Claire is saying that if this angle is 20 degrees, this one could be 14.1 and this could be 15. So I'm going to change my color here. I know if 20 is the angle that I'm working with, that 14.1 is my adjacent side and 15 is my hypotenuse. So I can do, adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. So if I do the cosine of 20 and I get the same thing as doing 14.1 over 15, then I'll know that this works. All right, so I'm going to pull up my calculator here and I'm going to do the cosine of 20. So 20 cosine is 0.939 or 0.940 approximately. So this side over here is about 0.940. And if I do 14.1 divided by 15, I get 0.94. So because these two are equal, then Claire could also be correct.